This is a Holy Stone GPS FPV-RC HS100 drone review. Reviewed by Drone Samurai. The Holy Stone GPS FPV-RC HS100 drone is a handsome-looking camera quadcopter with a 120 degrees field of view lens, first-person view Wi-Fi camera, altitude hold, and location, follow me and auto-return GPS features, all controlled via a rechargeable remote control or the free iOS or Android app. This good-looking, solid drone is very nicely designed. It is reminiscent of the Phantom 4 Pro but at a more affordable price. The motorized camera mount and impressive GPS functions make this quadcopter stand out not only from Holy Stone's previous models but also from many other mid-tier drones. Let's have a look at the Holy Stone HS100 drone functions. Altitude hold and headless orientation. The altitude hold functionality will keep the HS100 flying at the same height, useful for consistent aerial photography. The Holy Stone GPS FPV-RC HS100 drone is oriented relative to the pilot, which can be very useful if the line of sight is lost. GPS location and auto return to home (RTH). GPS location provides accurate positioning to guard against losing the drone and to allow for the auto return function. Auto return will bring the HS100 back to base in the case of a low or lost signal, or if battery power is low. This automated GPS facilitated flight mode ensures that the Holy Stone HS100 will not be lost due to signal or power loss. Follow me mode. Using GPS positioning, the drone can track the remote control unit to follow and track the pilot's journey with aerial photographs. Complicated shots are made easy with hands-free flying and selfie shots that keep the pilot in the frame at all times. Single-touch takeoff and landing, ideal for newcomers to drone flying. The HS100 can be started with one key press. The emergency stop button will bring the drone safely into land with a single button touch. Now let's have a look at the HS100 GPS RC quadcopter features. Quick start. The Holy Stone GPS FPV-RC HS100 drone is quick and easy to get started. Just follow these simple steps. Pair the HS100 and the transmitter. Calibrate the compass. Essential. Check GPS signal and flight settings. Press the one key takeoff button to start the propeller's takeoff to approximately 5 feet altitude. The HS100 is now ready for flight. 3D VR and app control compatible. The Holy Stone HS100 is compatible with VR glasses for real-time transmission. The HS100 can also be controlled via the free iOS or Android app. 1080p HD Wi-Fi camera. The optimized 120 degrees wide-angle HD Wi-Fi camera provides live video from the HS100's flight. The wide-angle lens has a 120 degrees field of view and, combined with the 90 degrees adjustable angle of the camera, will capture great quality HD aerial video and photos. Battery, flying time and range. The 7.4 volts 2500 mAh Lipo high-performance battery provides for flight times of up to 15 minutes with a transmission control range of approximately 500 meters. Here are the Holy Stone GPS FPV-RC Drone HS100 specifications. Weight, 700 grams, 24.7 ounces, including battery. Dimensions, 500 by 500 by 175 millimeters. Camera lens, 120 degrees field of view recording, HD 1280x 1080p. Wi-Fi range, 150 meters, line of sight, outside. Transmission range, 500 meters, line of sight, outside. Flight duration, approximately 15 minutes. Battery charging time, approximately 4.5 hours, varies according to power input. In the Holy Stone GPS FPV-RC drone box. HS100 drone manual remote control transmitter, 7.4 volts 2500 mAh Lipo battery, USB charging cable, 8 gigabits TF card and card reader, Lipo battery, fireproof bag, 8x propellers, 2x propeller guards, 4x spare propellers, 2x spare propeller guards, 2x spare landing feet, 4x blade pads, 4x blade caps, 4x fixed rubber pieces, propeller screws, 4x screws for propellers, 4x screws for motor and body cover piece, 1x screwdriver. This drone is a significant step up from Holy Stone's usual entry-level drones. The very affordable HS100 Navigator GPS FPV-RC drone fits comfortably into the mid-level camera drone category and is highly recommended. Now tell us what you think of the Holy Stone GPS FPV-RC HS100 drone. Feel free to leave a comment and let us know. If you gained any value from this video, subscribe to this channel for more upcoming videos. Thanks for watching and have a blessed day.